Medical secretaries are often responsible for scheduling patient appointments and managing the healthcare provider's calendar. This may involve coordinating with other healthcare professionals or departments to ensure that appointments are scheduled in a timely and efficient manner. Answering phone calls, medical secretaries often serve as the first point of contact for patients and other healthcare professionals. They may answer phone calls, respond to voicemail messages, and direct calls to the appropriate healthcare provider or department. Managing medical records, medical secretaries may be responsible for managing patient records, including updating electronic health records and filing paper records. They may also be responsible for ensuring that patient records are kept confidential and secure. Some of the risks related to CSS business in clinical sectors could be data breaches, regulatory compliance, competition, and market volatility. To reduce the risks associated with CAS business, they could implement strong security measures for their data systems, comply with the regulations related to their business, conduct regular market research, and diversify their revenue streams. MRS offer numerous benefits to the healthcare industry, including improved quality of care, increased efficiency, better coordination of care, improved patient safety, and cost savings. However, there are also significant implementation costs, privacy and security concerns, technical issues, and user resistance to consider. In Quebec, the implementation of MRS is progressing with government support and incentives for healthcare providers to adopt the technology. Divorce rates have been rising globally in recent years, suggesting that more people are choosing to end their marriages. While divorce can be a painful and emotional process for all parties involved, it is often necessary to allow individuals to move on from unhealthy or unhappy relationships. Nonetheless, divorce has significant social and economic consequences, particularly for children who may experience the breakdown of their family unit. It is crucial to prioritize healthy relationships, effective communication, and conflict resolution skills to prevent divorces wherever possible. Small children are at an increased risk of infection due to their developing immune systems, their tendency to put their hands and other objects in their mouths, their close proximity to other children in childcare or school settings, and their relative lack of knowledge and experience with hygiene practices. They may also be more susceptible to severe complications from infections due to their smaller size and more vulnerable organs.
I decide to pursue a degree in medical office specialist. Whether studying medicine is your primary or secondary degree option, it is a long-term commitment that you should never take lightly. To continue careers in medicine, people now also use services that offer career appropriateness consultations. I believe that being a medical office specialist is the best career for
Healthcare professionals have an opportunity to make a real difference in people's lives by improving their health and well-being. Medical professionals must handle different cases every day that require their medical expertise and support, and their dedication and care can have a significant impact on the patient's recovery. Secondly, the healthcare program involves learning about the human body and how it functions, which can be intellectually stimulating. It requires a deep understanding of medical science, human anatomy, and medical technologies. These studies provide a foundation for a highly respected and intellectually challenging profession.